Nobody's perfect.
Oh Lord, please don't let me, please don't let me, please don't let me, please don't
Die before repenting my sin. Drink and drive ever again. Ever smoke meth or crack? Get HIV with no get back. Oh, don't let me fail. Ever spend another second in jail. Come this far to fall off. Please don't let me fuck mine off. I got vices I like vodka on the rocks. Catch me at some Grammy party next to Jamie Foxx. I'm not marriage material, more like health. I got knowledge of self, I'm sorta most deaf. Except I'm a slut for a pretty face bitch. Youngin' used to say I got a lust demon trick. Consequences every lifestyle you're living. Some rappers got herpes, the gift that keeps on giving. Even worse than that, I seen people go too far and can't come back. Straight guys tricked by transvestites, sick. Be careful who you let suck on your dick. That bitch might be a boy. I be frisking hoes in the club, I'm paranoid. I don't exercise and that's bad with black folks. Hypertension, heart disease, heart attack, strokes. Die before repenting my sin. Drink and drive again. Ever smoke meth or crack?